Good morning. It's a beautiful sunny day. We've got some icicles hanging from the edge of the roof here. I don't know if you can see them. But look at that sunny sky, that sunny blue sky. Isn't it beautiful? And there is our snow. It's something we've never seen the likes of in the time we've lived here in Connecticut. It might have been the first day we moved here. We came in a big throes of a storm. And Dad's getting ready to go to town. Oops, there he is. And I asked him to come out and stand next to the next to the snow pile so you could see how tall it is, how big it is. But you can see that, yeah. So he's on his way to town. Bye. Have fun. Don't get stuck in a snowbank. So we're fortunate to have a beautiful day after the storm.